How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
What are you doing right now?
I'm just relaxing at home.
Did you have a good day?
Yes, it was quite busy but good.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the market.
Are you free this evening?
Yes, I'm free after 7.
What time is it now?
It's around 5 o'clock.
How was your weekend?
It was nice and relaxing.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine.
What do you usually do in the morning?
I wake up early and go for a walk.
Do you like this place?
Yes, it's very peaceful.
Work and study. What do you do for work?
I work in an office.
Are you busy at work today?
Yes, I have many tasks.
What are you studying these days?
I'm studying English.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I like it a lot.
When does your class start?
It starts at 10 in the morning.
Is your work difficult?
Sometimes, but I manage.
Are you learning something new?
Yes, I'm learning new skills.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I usually rest.
How was your meeting?
It went very well.
Do you need help with this?
Yes, that will be great.
Can I help you, please?
Sure, no problem.
Sorry for being late.
That's okay.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, you can sit here.
May I ask you something?
Yes, go ahead.
Do you mind if I join you?
Not at all.
Could you repeat that, please?
Sure, I'll say it again.
What do you think about this?
I think it's a good idea.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, please.
Is it okay for you?
Yes, that's fine.
How much does this cost?
It costs 500 rupees.
Where is the nearest bus stop?
It's just around the corner.
Have you been here before?
Yes, I came last year.
How long will it take?
It will take about 30 minutes.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card payment is available.
Is this open today?
Yes, it's open all day.
What would you recommend?
I recommend this one.
Is there any discount?
Yes, there's a small discount.
Do you want a bag?
Yes, please.
Shall we leave now?
Yes, let's go.
How do you feel today?
I feel quite happy.
Are you tired?
Yes, a little.
What do you like doing in free time?
I like reading and walking.
Does this sound good to you?
Yes, it sounds great.
Are you interested in this?
Yes, I'm very interested.
What's your plan for tomorrow?
I plan to visit my friend.
Do you agree with me?
Yes, I agree.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with family.
Are you ready to start?
Yes, I'm ready.
Can we talk later?
Yes, let's talk later.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I exercise every morning.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
I prefer tea.
How often do you use your phone?
I use it many times a day.
Do you watch TV at night?
Yes, after dinner.
What do you do before sleeping?
I read for a while.
Do you like waking up early?
Yes, it gives me more time.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, almost every day.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people.
Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I live with them.
Who is your best friend?
My school friend is my best friend.
How often do you meet your friends?
I meet them on weekends.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
Is your family supportive?
Yes, very supportive.
What do you do together as a family?
We eat dinner together.
Do you talk to your friends every day?
Yes, mostly on phone.
Who do you trust the most?
I trust my parents.
Do you enjoy family gatherings?
Yes, I enjoy them a lot.
Are you hungry?
Yes, very hungry.
What would you like to eat?
I'd like some rice.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food.
Have you had lunch?
Yes, I had it an hour ago.
Can I order now?
Yes, please go ahead.
Is this food fresh?
Yes, it's freshly made.
Do you want dessert?
Yes, just a little.
How does it taste?
It tastes really good.
Do you eat outside often?
No, only sometimes.
Shall we eat together?
Yes, that sounds nice.
Are you feeling okay?
Not really, I feel tired.
Do you need some rest?
Yes, I think so.
Have you seen a doctor?
Yes, yesterday.
Do you have a headache?
Yes, a little.
Are you feeling better now?
Yes, much better.
What helps you relax?
Listening to music.
Are you stressed these days?
A bit because of work.
Do you sleep well at night?
Yes, most of the time.
What makes you calm?
Quiet places.
Do you take care of your health?
Yes, I try my best.
What are you doing tomorrow?
I'm going to work.
Do you have any plans for tonight?
Yes, I'm meeting a friend.
What do you want to do next year?
I want to improve my English.
Are you excited about this?
Yes, very excited.
What do you think about this plan?
I think it's good.
Would you like to try again?
Yes, I'd like to.
Is this your final decision?
Yes, it is.
Do you believe in yourself?
Yes, I do.
Are you ready for the change?
Yes, I'm ready.
Shall we start now?
Yes, let's start.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can hear you.
Did you understand what I said?
Yes, I understood.
Can you explain it again?
Sure, I'll explain.
May I use your phone?
Yes, you may.
Could you speak slowly, please?
Of course.
Should I wait here?
Yes, please wait.
Can you send me the details?
Yes, I'll send them.
Is this the right way?
Yes, you're going right.
Can we discuss this later?
Yes, no problem.
Are you listening to me?
Yes, I'm listening.
When will you finish this work?
By this evening?
Is the deadline today?
Yes, it is.
Have you completed the task?
Not yet.
Do you need more time?
Yes, a little more.
Can we work together on this?
Yes, that's a good idea.
Did you attend the meeting?
Yes, I did.
What did you learn today?
I learned something new.
Is this topic clear to you?
Yes, it's clear.
Are you confident about it?
Yes, I am.
Shall we review it once more?
Yes, let's review it.
How far is the station?
It's about 2 kilometers.
Which bus should I take?
Take bus number 10.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
When does the train arrive?
At 6:30.
Do we need to book in advance?
Yes, it's better.
Is this place safe?
Yes, very safe.
How long will we stay here?
For 2 days.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Have you packed everything?
Yes, almost.
Shall we take a taxi?
Yes, that's easier.
What's your opinion on this?
I think it's useful.
Do you agree with them?
Yes, I agree.
Which one do you prefer?
I prefer this one.
Is this a good choice?
Yes, it is.
Should we change the plan?
No, let's keep it.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, I'm sure.
What would you suggest?
I suggest waiting.
Does this make sense to you?
Yes, it does.
Do you have any doubts?
No doubts.
Shall we decide now?
Yes, let's decide.
It was nice talking to you.
Yes, same here.
Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Please take care.
I will.
See you tomorrow.
See you.
Have a safe journey.
Thank you.
Call me when you reach.
Sure, I will.
Let's stay in touch.
Yes, definitely.
Good luck with everything.
Thank you so much.
I hope everything goes well.
I hope so too.
Talk to you later.
Okay, bye.